Hello, my name is Jennifer Rock, aka The Skin Nerd, here today with Littlewoods Ireland to talk all things skin. Today's topic is dry skin. Now, how do you know if your skin is dry or dehydrated? Well, first up, dry skin is genetic. It is predisposed, so that means that you've had it since you're little and you only have your parents to blame for it. It's something that you cannot change, but we can arm you with the right ingredients to ensure that you have long-term skin health. If you're looking in the mirror and the skin is dull, dry, sluggish, lethargic, it just feels like it needs a pep in its step and you really do struggle to keep a lot of moisture on your face, then it is likely that you have dry skin. Now, dehydrated is a condition which you often might confuse with dryness, and understandably so, because dehydrated skin presents itself as flaky, sluggish, lethargic, but the key difference is that it's quite taut and it's something that's circumstantial, i.e. can fix it and amend it and it'll come and it'll go. The good news is that whether you're unsure whether you're dry or dehydrated, is that you can look out for the exact same ingredients and help this tautness that you're feeling on a daily basis. The key ingredients that I encourage you to look out for would be ceramides, vitamin C, vitamin E, antioxidants, lots of oils, and as always, because the skin is an organ, a little bit of SPF. First up will be ceramides. So ceramides we naturally have as human beings. It forms the top layer and the protective layer. We call it the ecosystem of the skin. But light, life, misuse of products tends to deplete it. It's not always about how it looks and feels and smells. Realistically, it's about the results. So what we're doing here is allowing the top layer of the skin to repair and knit itself so it's as hydrated, locks in moisture, and acts like the waterproof barrier that it should be. If you're dry skin, that's really important for you. If you're a human and you're watching, then vitamin C is really important. Vitamin C has a list as long as my arm as to all the benefits to it. It's extremely anti-aging, really hydrating, locks in moisture, fantastic for anyone with dryness and somebody who suffers with a lot of redness, be it that you find you get quite red throughout the day, you might have a few bronchocapillaries. Vitamin C as a human you do not make, so it's important to put on every single day. Then there's antioxidants, and these are the absolute underdog of skincare. People tend to not give them as much attention as they deserve. This is comparable to the vegetables within your diet. You know that you should eat them every single day. Do you eat them every single day? Antioxidants are going to be extremely cooling, hydrating, and anti-aging on the surface of the skin. Mixed with your oils, like we said, and SPF. You cannot go hail, rain, shine. It's important that you absolutely apply that protective layer every single day, 365 days of the year. Now that you know all of the key ingredients that you need for your dry skin, the good news is that all of the products that you've seen are available on littlewoodsIreland.ie.